Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Rusty with EXP, and I wanted to do a quick video today because Father's Day is coming up Sunday. Yesterday I did a video about banner season talking about birthdays. Today I wanted to talk about Father's Day because it sort of gets short shrift next to Mother's Day, and it's coming up this Sunday. I know a lot of people, they always struggle with, like, I don't know what to get my dad, I don't know, whatever. So banner season has this thing. I'll post it in the comments. Super easy. Let me show you. We call them quick links. If you come to, oh, good Lord, my technically challenged self. Hold on. Here we go. So I'm gonna share my screen here. I don't know why I talk like I'm from the South when I say that. I'm going to post this in the comments, and it's super, super simple. So it comes with like a card and a little mug and a couple brownies, and you put in your dad's first name, whatever you want the message to be, add it to cart, name, address, payment information, done. Takes less than 5 minutes, super easy. So we have this one. There's also a couple different golf balls. So as many of you know, I'm totally obsessed with golf, and those are the ones they say I'm not lost, I'm social distancing from, Rusty, Hamrick, whatever. And the thing is, I don't know what your dad is like. The thing about my dad is, like, he doesn't really care. He doesn't really care, like, what it is that we send. He just likes to talk to us, me and my brothers. So it's a simple, really quick, easy way to, honor your dad, tell him happy Father's Day. I also, just personally, today's my dad's birthday. So Dad, I love you very much. Happy birthday. I will call you later if you're watching this. Yeah, so I just wanted to do the quick video. I'll put the links in the comments, and you can check them out. And if you have any questions, if you have customers, clients, patients, anybody that you're trying to stay in front of, banner season is an amazing tool. I've had incredible luck with it, which is why I'm doing these videos. I've sold real estate for 20 plus years, since 1999. I've never used a tool as effective or powerful as banner season, which is why I'm doing these videos. Like, I'm not, those of you who know me know I'm not like a guy to, I don't know, this is a new thing for me. So, but it's really awesome. It's super powerful. Also on Thursdays at 5 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, I'm starting to do these walkthroughs. It's a complete system walkthrough. It takes about 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes total. We open it up for questions. And so it'd be awesome to see you there. It's banneroverview.com, or you can message me. I'll shoot you a link. If you're going to be there, though, let me know, because I give out a bunch of stuff, and so I'll make sure that that you are on that list. And I think that's it. Yeah. So Father's Day coming up Sunday. Make sure you do something nice for your dad. And here is a really simple way. It's like 20 bucks. So you can send a custom mug printed with his name on it, 2 custom brownies printed for him, plus a card. And the other thing that I always forget is, it doesn't necessarily just have to be your biological or adopted, direct father, right? It can be like my brother is getting stuff because he's a dad. And I have a friend who just had a baby about 2 months ago, so he's probably going to get some stuff. And like, I have lots and lots of dads in my life. Yeah, dads in my life. So you can, make sure to honor all of them. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, take care of each other out there. Thanks for watching, and hit me up, even just to say hi. It would be great to reconnect with people I haven't talked to in a long time. And that is it from me for now. So happy hump day, everybody, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.